Welcome to Workshop Wednesdays. Thanks for tuning in for another workshop update. Sorry I didn't have an update last week. I recorded one, but I just never got time to edit it. I've been having do a lot of work at my main job, so it's been kind of keeping me busy, and I haven't had too much time to get in the shop, along with, you know, it was Valentine's Day and all that. Anyway, so this week I got some stuff planned and I'm working on stuff this weekend. Hopefully I can have a video out this Wednesday. I apologize if I do not, but I'm working really hard to get at least one video done this weekend so that we can have a video this week. But that's about it. A couple things I've been working on. Let's see. So one of the videos I'm working on right now, I finally found what to do with the root ball. A couple people gave me some cool ideas to make like a centerpiece, and so I'm having trouble stabilizing it the way I want. So it's getting there though. It's getting there. The other thing is I'm trying to do another lidded pot with little acrylic Buddhas for the top piece. So those will be coming up here soon too. And that's about it. So just click like, subscribe if you like everything. If you don't, let me know what I can do or change. I got some new stuff planned coming up here soon. So just keep looking out. Thanks.